Welcome to Jurassic World Toy Hunt here at Target. We have quite a few new Jurassic World arrival here. We got the new Jurassic World Legacy Collection, the real feel texture realistic Triceratops here. Everything here is soft touch here. See how soft it is? Even this is soft. Only the tail, by the tail, it's a little hardened, but the actual outside is soft touch, like a leather feel here. This is hardened plastic, the leg part, but the tail to the back of all this is soft plastic here. This is hardened plastic, the two leg part, the front and the back leg, and the horn and the head is all hardened plastic, but the rest of these are soft touch. See how soft that is? And they're also made of sound too. And this is, look how detailed the horn on this Triceratops with the eye feature, nostril, the beak of it, the three horns here. These are all hardened plastic. There's the main thing, there's a button here on top to make the sound. Let's hear it. So the sound is not too loud, it's just right. You can hear it. So this price here at Target is $37.99. The real feel Triceratops is $37.99 here. The reimagined real feel Triceratops, $37.99 here at Target. So far, it's only at Target. They do not sell this at Walmart, so this is exclusive for Target only. The real feel Triceratops in an exclusive Target here. They also have a new one. This is probably one going to be my favorite here. Charge and Chomp Carnotaurus here. Charge and Chomp Carnotaurus. Look at this. It is $34.99 here. $34.99 to Charge and Chomp Carnotaurus. Look at this. There's a button in here. Mouth open. But look at the leg. The leg is charging at you. Look at the running action on here. That's pretty cool. So let's look like this on the back. See it? Leg will charge and leaving like a running motion. The Carnotaurus running attack here. They have the other two. There's a Stegosaurus one and there's a Gorgosaurus one. These are also new. These are the gigantic thrasher. I'll show this after this one here. All this is hardened plastic. There's a button, like I said, on top. Hardened plastic on the back with the spikes. Hardened plastic here. Here's the feature of the color scheme on his facial. The good news is the teeth part is soft. It won't cut you or anything. It looks sharp, but it's not. Here's the tongue feature and the eye feature. And of course the devil horn type of the Carnotaurus. That looks pretty cool. That's probably one of the best devil horn type on the Carnotaurus they have here. Look at how detailed it is. This is probably a must buy. And of course the small arms, kind of similar to the T-Rex here. Here's the color scheme on the back of it. And look at the legs here. Feature on the legs and foot. And like these move, see it? They pivot for it, and same thing here. So they Charge and Chomp Carnotaurus is $34.99 here at Target here. And there's the roar sound of the Carnotaurus. Look at that movement. Look at that movement. same price as the Spinosaurus Danger Set, $37.99. The Bite and Blast Mosasaurus for $3.99. This is last week Jurassic World Hammond Collection size Ceratops. Sinoceratops is still $24.99. And they have a new Real Feel Velociraptor and MOTO Pursuit Pack here. Jurassic World Legacy Collection. This is, I believe, $37.99. Let me check the price for this for you. Give me a second. And I'll give you the price in this in a minute. Yeah, so this is $37.99 for the Jurassic World reimagined motorcycle Real Feel Velociraptor. $37.99. So it's $37.99 like the Spinosaurus set. So this is $37.99, the Real Feel Velociraptor. Like I said, the tail is hardened plastic on the leg and arm, but the back, see it? It's nice and soft, the Real Feel on the Velociraptor. So, and the head is hardened plastic. So only the body feature, the middle abdomen body feature in the back is, see it? It's how soft it is. It's the Real Feel, similar to the red one here and the white one here. So it goes, and the mouth feature, of course, I believe they open here. Yeah, they open. The mouth feature is also open. So let me check this there. Do you see how the mouth feature here on this one? So the mouth feature is open on this one, and the white one here, same thing. I just open the mouth. Look at that, how detailed. I like the color scheme of the white one. Look at that, like aqua white here feature here, and the other one here. Look at that eye feature. Oh my, like that eye color here. The glow lime color here for this here. Also come with a motorcycle here, and I think it looked like Owen's on there. So yeah, so it's Owen Grady, and the Velociraptors from Jurassic World Legacy Collection. Here's a Real Feel here, Velociraptor. There's two of them. He also got, it comes with the launch hoop where they'll capture things. So they also have the hat harness here. It's removable for these Velociraptor, and the utilities included here. Utility tools included here, see? And on the bottom of each foot of the Velociraptor, there's a scan to unlock, scan code for the scan to unlock. Download Jurassic World Play app here to interact with the two Velociraptor here. Is on the bottom of each foot of the Velociraptor here. There's Owen Grady here, and the utility tool, of course. So here's the that's what's included in here, and the helmet too, of course, and the helmet for the harness helmet for the Velociraptor is also included here. So the Real Feel Velociraptor and MOTO Pursuit Pack is $37.99 here at Target. So this so far is only exclusive at Target. This two Real Feel Velociraptor here, and the reimagined Real Feel Triceratops here. This one doesn't make a sound. Okay, these two don't make a sound, but the only Velociraptor are here. So it's both 30. This is $37.99. They're both at $37.99. So this is $37.99, and this is $37.99. The reimagined Real Feel Velociraptors, $37.99. And finally, I found a gigantic Thrasher Stegosaurus. I reviewed this last week with the gigantic Thrasher Gorgosaurus here. Let's try what the Stegosaurus is, and this is $24.99 here at Target. So this is just making sure the price. Some reason it showed $26.99. Let's try it again. Yeah, it showed $26.99. Is that a $24.99 tag? So probably you can buy it for $24. This is $26.99 online. So you buy it at the store, go to the store, it's $2 cheaper. It's $24.99. So online is $26.99. At the store price is $24.99. See, it says Jurassic World Thrasher Stegosaurus, $24.99. Well, this $24.99. Look at this. Look at the detail on the spikes on his tail. Oh, this is nice, very nice. I love the green with the black spots on this here. And here's the button for, look at the tail feature. Look at that. Tail is gonna be digging and thrashing at you here. Okay, let me see if they got anything for the back. Let's see what the back said. So this button here, oh, there's the button above it. This Stegosaurus spike above it will show you something. Total tail strike here. Tails grows. And like I said, there's the Gorgosaurus, which is there. So let's see the other one here. Oh, this one here. So this is the button here for the tail growth here. And the biggest plate on the back is the thrashing of the tail. See it? So that plate, so the biggest one on the the back of here, far end, is the thrashing tail here. See it? You gotta move it forward. Okay, so that thrashing shoulder. Here's the color scheme on the head. Really nice. I like it. Nice, good white lime kind of type here, and with the green looking here, or aqua white here. Look at the eye feature, pretty nice with all the spots here they got. And this head, yeah, it can move up and down. So the head got a little pivot, you can move up and down. And the horn does not open. Let me try, I doubt it. No, it does not open. It looks like it open, but it doesn't. Leg movement, articulation on both. And of course the tail growth and the tail thrashing here. So this Jurassic World gigantic Stegosaurus and the gigantic Gorgosaurus here is $24.99 here at Target here. So I'll review this one again. This one had the button here too. This is for the mouth feature, and the back here with the spikes on the gigantic Gorgosaurus. And the one here is the, oh man, look how cool that one. This is way better than the one I reviewed at Walmart. Look at that. Oh, that is a thrashing, spinning like a drilling. It will damage any dinosaur that get near it. Is that awesome or what? Jeez, that's awesome. I wish they make a noise. If this had a sound effect, this would have been awesome. Only thing I don't like is I wish they had a better color scheme on the head. It's just plain brown and white here. I wish it was little different spots here or something to be more scary looking, but that's what it is. So, and the mouth feature, and let me see the soft touch. Yeah, soft touch here. The tongue feature here too. So this is probably the best one. It wasn't like this at the one at Walmart. The one was a little defective. This is way better. Look how way it spins, like a drill. This will, and this won't hurt any child, so it's safe. It just looks sharp, but it's not. See it? I can touch it and it won't hurt me, even though it's spinning fast. See? So it's spinning section on this gigantic thrasher here, Gorgosaurus here. And compared to the Stegosaurus again, last thing here before end the video here. So these are $24.99 here. Stegosaurus and the Gorgosaurus. Don't forget the real feel Velociraptor. Still got the powered about T-Rex. It's $53.99 here. And of course the Giganosaurus with Stegosaurus still here, still not on sale, $79.99. Just need to be on sale. For Reimagine, it's way too expensive. $80 for this, half price. Be more reasonable, be $39.99. This will be a purchase. But this is also, for some reason, the Real Feel Reimagined here is very expensive because I guess because all this soft touch here material they have to use for it is more pricier, so they make it expensive. But this Giganosaurus is pretty good. I like the color scheme on here, and I wish the Therizinosaurus Real Feel too, but it's not. But the color scheme on this one is awesome. This orange black here with the striking pose here, it's still $79.99. Tail thrashing Spinosaurus went up in price. It's $46.99. That is not good. It used to be $41.99, so it went up $5. We also have these Spinosaurus plushie, $24.99 here, the big one here. And we also got the medium-sized one, the Jurassic Park one, plushie. Here, there's a Spinosaurus one too. These are $19.99. The medium size are $19.99 here too. The green matching hatch still $64.99. This is very expensive. And one of my favorite is the Jurassic World Survival Frenzy Pack. Velociraptors here is $8.99. But you can get this is pretty reasonable price. There's no sound effect, but this one is probably one of my favorite. Look at that. Velociraptors here. Look similar to the Therizinosaurus. How detailed it is, like the bird wind. We also got the Plesiosaurus here. And the last one behind it is the Monophosaurus here. These are all $8.99 here at Target. This is my favorite, Velociraptor, $8.99 here. So let's recap. Charge and Chomp Carnotaurus here, $34.99. And we got the Real Feel Triceratops, $37.99. And also for $37.99, we got the Real Feel Velociraptor set here with Owen Grady and the motorcycle. It's also $37.99. And last is gigantic thrasher Stegosaurus. It's $24.99 here. And they also have Gorgosaurus here is also $24.99 here. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.